welcome back to Art to Hearts. As usual, it is my pleasure bringing another video to you. Thank you so much for supporting. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, it's not too late. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, share, like, and all of those things. Thank you so much. For this video, it's really just a birthday project, sash and crowns for someone, and I decided that I wanted to record it. So please do enjoy, watch till the end. As usual, there is a little motivation for us within this video. So again, thank you so much for the support. Watch till the end. Bye. Hi again, everyone. What's up? Wagwan. I do hope you're enjoying the video thus far, but we're just going to take a little break just for a moment of motivation. Stop comparing yourself to others. Don't try to be like anyone else. It's stressful trying to be like them when you can have so much fun being you. Don't hide the uniqueness of you with someone else's words, someone else's actions, someone else's dreams and aspirations. Share you. Be you. Do what you love because you are uniquely